Um, Today is Saturday, app review Saturday. I'm excited because I love apps and I love playing games. So let's see. I'm going to install an app or a game that I have never played. So what I did was go to the App Store, Google App Store that is, and I am looking at the top charts of the games, the apps and games. So I was just gonna go through there and see which one we should pick. I don't know how to play Call of Duty. I played Mario Kart like in Nintendo 64 or something. So let's see what happens. Okay. Squarebird. Should I play Squarebird? I think I should. So, like I said, I'm installing it for the first time, so I've never played it before. I know the other game that I played recently, I had downloaded it, and started to play it. So, yeah. Let's see. Wait for it to install. There's like other cool games too. There's Uno. You like Uno? What is that? Dream Daddy. What is that? The cat game. Maybe next Saturday we could play the cat game. That'd be so cute. It has a 4.2 rating. So let's see. Open. Let's open this game up. I'm only going to be playing it just a little bit. So sorry for that. I'm getting notifications. Okay, so it says tap or hold the lay an egg. Okay. Oh my god, that was so fast. Let's see. So you gotta like lay. Oh my god. This is insane. So basically you gotta press on it and it layers up. As you can see, it says do three times perfect landing to activate fever mode. Okay. Oh my god, and it goes super fast. Okay. Oh. So you keep on layering, you press on it and he layers up. This is actually pretty cool. Okay, I got the concept. Man, it doesn't have any music to it. Okay. No thanks. Of course. Advertisement. Like every game has advertisement to it. Oh, I did not press it. It's tricky because you gotta click the X. Okay. Can you have other... Oh, you can have other animals. And other things. Okay. Looks like Batman and... Okay. I don't know how much coins I got. So what I'm doing is I'm going to keep on going up like this. For me. Ah! Oh! Ah, my god. And what's this? Like different levels? Okay. Gotcha. Why is it pausing? Oh, I'm like shooting like little things out of my mouth. I guess when you constantly like don't get hit. Advertisements, of course. Don't like the advertisement. Okay, I'm gonna do one more level. Okay. I think that's what all apps do nowadays, is they always have like advertisement. I didn't even press it. Advertisement for other apps. So yeah, if you don't like advertisement, you won't like this. I don't know why I'm lagging. I'm a... Got it. Later. Okay, one more. What I'm doing is I'm keep on stacking. Oh my god. What I'm doing is I'm keep on stacking. Ooh, okay. You go with them advertisements. Every time you like win or something, you get advertisements. I don't like that. Okay, one more level. Promise. It lags too. It's not the game. I'm pretty sure it's not the game. It's actually my phone. Oh yeah, I knew what to do. All right. And what's this? Choose. I guess I could. Oh, cool. Okay, it's like a little bonus thing, little bonus coins. Huh, I choose 2. I choose 3 of them. Oh, wow, 500 coins, cool. Well, yeah, this is cool. Okay, select, and I'll be like, I should have just stayed there. Oh my god, this is hard. It's getting harder. Oh, I ain't playing this time. Oh! I put it too high and I hit myself. Oh, advertisements. Okay, this last level and then I will be done. Just like every game. Every game. I don't want to hold nothing. Just let me go to my game. Advertisements. Hopefully the next game we pick doesn't have advertisements. But then again, that's like every game nowadays. Oh, okay. Yay! All right. Okay. Well, this game was pretty cool. I liked the fact that it goes fast and you gotta stack the squares. Stack the boxes up and stuff like that, and try not to hit yourself on the wall or something like that. So it was actually pretty cool. I gotta admit. Check it out. Like, download it. I will be posting the link for this game if you want to check it out. So yeah, thank you for watching this app review Saturday. I'm excited. I can't wait till next Saturday. I will be uploading another video. Sorry, I've been uploading at least 1 video per week. I'm so sorry. Well, 2 videos per week. I'm gonna try my best to upload more. So sorry about that. Well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you like this game, think it's cool, and also hit the notification bell to know when I go live. So thank you for watching. Bye.